North Korea, officially known as the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, DPRK, is a country located in East Asia. Here are some interesting facts about North Korea. North Korea has a population of approximately 25 million people, and its capital city is Pyongyang. The country's official language is Korean, and its currency is the North Korean won. North Korea is one of the most isolated countries in the world, and its government is a totalitarian reign led by the Workers' Party of Korea. North Korea has a highly militarized society, and it spends a significant portion of its budget on its military. It has the fourth largest army in the world, with over 1 million active duty soldiers. North Korea is known for its nuclear weapons program, which it has been developing since the 1980s. In 2006, North Korea conducted its first successful nuclear test, and it has conducted several more tests since then. North Korea has a state-run economy, and its citizens have very limited access to outside information and goods. The country's economy is heavily dependent on its trade relationship with China. North Korea is known for its elaborate propaganda campaigns, which are used to promote the country's ruling party and its leader, Kim Jong-un. The country has a number of labor camps, where people are sent for political reasons or for violating the country's strict laws. These camps are known for their harsh conditions, and human rights organizations have accused North Korea of committing human rights abuses against its citizens. North Korea is one of the few countries in the world that does not have diplomatic relations with the United States. Despite its isolation and human rights abuses, North Korea is still home to a rich culture and history, including traditional music, dance, and cuisine. These are just a few facts about North Korea, and there is much more to learn about this fascinating and complex country.